Hi and welcome to another update. It is Wednesday the 10th of May, 2017. We've just opened in the market here and I have made a massive $7.64 on 2 turns today on the YM, but I'm very pleased with the way I carried myself. I'm not pleased obviously with the outcome, as you'll see in a second when I put the markers up on this chart. So I'm going to make it brief because I've got to get away now. You can see I shorted here. I held to 1.14 ticks, so 1.4 R in favor. Came all the way back and I got out before the close, as is my current plan. Now, looking at the stats, looking at how things have gone over the last several days, I'm probably going to change that rule and allow the last trade to go over 3:30 here, Central European time. So let me just close the window. Yeah, so the first trade was here, and basically today I did everything that I didn't do yesterday. So all the things I did wrong yesterday I corrected today, which I'm pleased about. And that is, let's just get a drawing tool. This right here was the exact same scenario as we had yesterday, where we, which is not here by the way, but yesterday, where I shorted a retail entry, knowing that it could go, and watched order flow to see if it was indeed actually going to go, and if it didn't, then I would cut it. Ideally, where I'm looking to be, as I've mentioned in a prior video, is cut the trade, cut trade instantly. So right where we are, cut the trade now, meaning, and it's really hard to do, at least it is for me. You short here, it's going here, your target's way down here, and price is moving in your favor, but order flow is saying something else, and you have to cut it here, knowing that A, it could go further and go onto your target anyway, and well, there's no B. That's the risk. You cut it here, and then you have to watch it go to your target without you. But in a probabilistic sense, following the game of probabilities, if the order flows against you and the pace is slowing here, then you should get out. But I knew I needed to get out down here, but didn't have the fortitude to do that. But I did not take the full loss, so I have gained a new level of flexibility in the sense that I was prepared for it to stop me for break even and roll over, but I wasn't prepared to take a small gain and then watch it roll over. So that's my task, something that I have to improve upon. So I was able to cut it for break even, and potentially watch it roll over, but now I need to get used to taking a gain and seeing that the inevitable times when I do take the gain and it does continue to go to target, be able to live with that. So I'm pleased that I was able to mitigate a stop here, and then even more chuffed that I was able to get in where I was supposed to. Now obviously it didn't go down to the target. The target was 208.27, I believe. Yeah, 208.27, 49 tick target from this entry. But here in order flow we had a big buyer, big execution here, 44 lot trade, long at 66. So that's why I was looking to finesse an exit down here for like 1.2R, but it didn't get there before the close. I mean before the open. So, and I wasn't going to hold when this happened, this bar here, because obviously that's my stop here, 86, and this is the reason why I don't want to hold into the open, but we'll see what the statistics say. So it's a shame that this trade was up 0.7 break even, this trade was up 1.4 break even, well, break even plus a tick. I think, let's see what we got. No, we got 70, yeah, 74. So here we got 0.1R and here we got 0.2. and after commission $7 and some 64 cents or whatever it was. So that's the day today. I'm thinking about grading myself to keep myself on track, because it's a shame. If you remember the daily result in terms of dollars, it can put you off of sticking to a good process. But today was a winning day for me. Like, aside from the profit and loss, if I could behave this way every single day, then I would see much improved results than what I'm currently seeing, which I'm still satisfied with, even if they're a bit on the slow side. Because incidentally, I did speak to John Hoagland of Top Step Trader, a trading coach. He's the lead trading coach, and he seemed to be very pleased with what I'm doing. He looked over my trade report and split up the instruments, you know, the YM and the Forex futures pairs, and we had a 15-20 minute chat on Skype. So I'm just going to continue to do what I'm doing. I'm up on the week. Can't remember how much, but about $100, I think. So I'm not going to take more than 2 stops in any one day. So the worst case scenario this week is down $100, and the best case scenario is anything upwards of that. The sky's the limit, really. So that's it. I'll be back in the next video. Take care and see you all then.